Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace screen touch digitalizer for iPhone 7, 8 or any iPad. So this is Apple iPad 7 generation. So I have already ordered new iPad. So this iPad is just $30. So if you can replace in yourself, if you see this video full, so then you can replace in yourself. So this iPad is very badly and very crack everything, so we need to remove first. For this one, let's start. So you need some tools like that. So you just put like this. It's already broken, so you need to remove nicely and like this. So yeah, okay. Okay, so this is already removed for screen, and then you need to clean first. This all you need to clean everything. So after that we remove these screws. Okay, so we already removed, so you need to clean, make sure you remove to this all side, remove tape and glass is the white like this small pieces, you remove everything. And then you need to remove two screw here, it's not, see, so two screw here, so this two screw I already removed, and this side two screw I remove now. So your screen is already removed. So after this one you need to remove this 3-piece screw, and then, okay, I will show you. Okay, and we have to remove this two, this is for touch digitalizer. This two I already cut the wire when we are touch pad removing. So new screen, so where is have two already, so we need to just connect here these two and close it, and then it's ready. Okay, so now first of all, so we just clean up everything on your iPad. You just remove the screen, and you need to clean properly for this everything, and be careful for this touchpad. So we need to save this touchpad, so just push inside. Okay, and this glass you just remove and clean this one properly. Okay, here we go, and now we need to clean this properly, so like this one. So it's almost clean, so you need to put it back for digitalizer after the cleaning. Okay, so when you clean everything properly, and then you need to install the touch bar first. So first of thing you need to do, like inside this glass paper, you need to remove like this, and then this touch bar outside have this paper, so just remove small piece because we feel button is proper work. Okay, so this is touch button, so we need to install now. Okay, and then okay, so before install this one, you need to put some glue or something like that. So this is glue, is very quickly work, so just small, it's not need to too much. Okay, and you can check it's work or not. Yes, so it's work properly. Then you finish install this button, and then the next step, you need to connect this to connector for touch bar. Okay, and second step, this is your screen, so this screen you need to put like this, so your screen connector you need to install here. Okay, and press here, and your screen push back, and then you need to install 4 screws back, which is we remove in first. So two big screw and two small screw. So big screws your iPad down side, and small screws you need to put back on camera side. So the big screw first we install back. First you make sure you install this small plate. I will show you. So there is plate, cover, and these three screws. You need to put back these three screws. Okay, when you've done your screw, and then put it back these screws. Okay, and so you just make sure the button is proper work. Okay, and remove this one. So before you fix this one, you turn on your pad and just make sure your touchpad is working properly, and then you do next step. Okay, so I'm just make sure is everything is working. So it's work properly. So we are next step. So you can put it here some glue on it. So you can put E8000, E7000, 6000, anyone you can use it, but no need to put too much. So just put little bit in the corners. So one more thing. So here is a double tape. So you need to remove this first, and then you do next step. So first you need to remove this small tape and this one push back, and second you need to remove here, and fix like this, and then put it back your iPad screen. So just make sure okay, so we have to put glue, and now it's close, so your everything is perfect working. Okay, yes, your button is also working. Thanks for watching.